Hi, my name is Vishal. Let's have a look on this pencil tool. Pencil tool is available in the toolbar here. You can just hold the shaper tool and then expand and find the pencil tool here. So you could see there's a keyboard shortcut N here. So select that particular tool and then just in the viewport, in the canvas, just click and start dragging it. So the way you move the cursor, it starts creating a shape there. And if I generally wanted to make a closed shape, you can just bring it till there and it becomes a closed shape. It's basically a freehand tool where it's just like a pencil. You just scribble on the canvas and then you get the shapes the way you wanted them to be. And while you are drawing this particular or using this particular shape, what you need to do is, like when I'm just freehandly drawing it, when I'm holding shift, it gives me a straight line. And then again you can use shift and then it gives that. So it also gives a 45-degree angle. Just you need to move the cursor, that's it. And there you go, you got a nice shape. And also you can generally, while you're moving this, when I hold Alt, the point where you press your Alt, from there you get the cursor till the place where you drag it and release the button. It gives me the shape. Just you need to, while you're drawing, just hold Alt and then release Alt, hold Alt, release Alt. So it's great way to draw straight lines. Not the difference is, like when I'm just holding shift, it's drawing either parallel or perpendicular or 45-degree. There are three possibilities here. But in Alt, while I was drawing, okay, the angle is free to me. Okay, so you can create straight lines and the angle is precisely in your control. You can also fill them later if it's a closed shape. So pencil tool is a simple tool to draw the shapes, unlike your shaper tool. Let's have a look on this smoother tool here. Just go to this shaper tool and then see there's a tool called smooth tool. So before exploring that, I'll just use this pencil tool. Just create a very jittery line and then you get a curve here. Now let's use the smooth tool. Just smooth tool works to, the idea is to relax this stress or sharpness or creases in this line, and it just smoothens the curve here. So to do that, I need to just drag on the vertex points here, and then it generally smooths the curve. Like that. So it's generally just to relax the line. That's how it works. I'll just see if I can try something on this. Close the shape. Let me see the smooth tool. And you see that's generally affecting the hard corner shapes. It works basically on the hardness of the curve. Generally when a curve is smooth, it doesn't really show any effect, but if it is hard, it tries to make it smooth. And again you can change the color as regular.